Here's how to use Auto Beat Sync on InShot. Import all your videos on InShot. Tap Audio, Music, select Extract Audio. Import the video for audio extraction. Tap Beat, and explore 3 beat modes that fit any vibe. Instantly sync your music with just one tap. You can also add the beat markers manually to the audio. Drag and trim the clips according to your beat markers. And you're done!